Welcome to our tutorial on recording videos using Panopto. Panopto is a powerful platform for creating and sharing video content. In this tutorial, there will be two parts. The first part is mainly about the introduction to navigation bar in the homepage. And the second part, I will walk you through the process of how to record a video step by step. So first, access your Panopto through your institution portal. Here you can type in Panopto and enter. Once you're in here, you will be able to see this homepage. In the homepage on the left-hand bar, there are 7 functions that you can choose from. The first one is Create button here. This is the button that allows you to create and record your videos. The second button is the Home buttons. This will lead you to the homepage like we are right now. And the third one is My Folder. This is the place that allows you to categorize and organize your videos in a hierarchical structure that typically includes folders and subfolders for user, like you see on this page. Okay, now move on to the subscription buttons here. This page allows you to subscribe to the channel that you want to see, so it is easier to keep you updated when the new videos is being uploaded. And the next one is the Share with Me buttons here. Panopto offers this option for user to share the videos with others. So when you're cooperating some video contents with others, you and that person should be able to see the videos in this page. Next is the Everything buttons here. This page contains all the videos, including the one you create or the one that others create and share with you. And lastly, on this navigation bar is the Browse button. The Browse button is typically used to navigate through your videos library and locate specific videos, folders, and other content. It allows you to explore and search for the content within your Panopto accounts. Now let's move on to the second part of this video, which is recording. Select Create. Then you will see a little window pop up here. There are 2 options for you to select from when you want to record the videos. The first one is Panopto for Mac. If you're using Windows, I believe it's Panopto for Windows. And the second one is Panopto Capture. The difference between these 2 buttons is that the first one is record in application, meaning that if you have Panopto apps download and installed in your desktop, then you should be able to record in application. If not, then you will choose to record in browser. So in this case, I'm going to choose record in browser. After you select that, Panopto will lead you to this page. On this page, there are 4 main buttons here. The first one is audio. The second one is video. The third one is screen and apps. And the last one is the setting buttons that is located on the right-hand corner of this page. So first, let's talk about the audio functions here. Click on that. Here, you should be able to select the source of audio inputs that applies to you. In this case, I'm choosing this one. If I wish to change my audio inputs, then I simply just click on Remove and then move on to the one that applies to me, then click on Add. Now let's move on to the second one, which is video here. When you click on video, there will be a little window pop up in your screen. If you choose to open your camera, simply just click on Add here. If you choose to close your camera, click on Remove. Then close the video. The third one is Screen and Apps. When you click on Screen and Apps, it will also pop up a little window right in the middle of your screen. Now, here is where you can select the browser or the content that you wish to share with your class. For example, if I want to share this page with my audience, Then I click on that, and on the right hand side, you will see a little preview here. So you get an idea of how your content is going to be look like once you share your screen with others. After everything is done, just click on share. Okay, so the last function on this page is the setting buttons. Click on that. This is an advanced adjusting tool for your videos. So for example, if you wish to record your video in more a high quality sound, then you can click on the HD sound or the Ultra HD. But by default, the recording sound option is going to be SD. And another setting that you might need to use is the background. So now the default is the SJSU campus photo. If I want to turn off my background, I just click on off. Or I can have the other option, which is to blur my background. After everything is done, just click on this close menu buttons here. Then now you're ready to record. So select this red recording buttons here. You will see a countdown. Then your recording will begin. So during your recording process, you will be able to see timing here on your right-hand corner. This tells you how long your video is right now, so you get an idea whether or not you want to stop the video. After you finish your recording, click on Stop Recording. Then Panopto will guide you to this page. On the upper left-hand corner here, you will see a green bar going on. This is the bar that tells you Panopto is uploading and processing your video. It may take a few moments depending on the video length and your internet connection. After it's been uploaded, you will see the full green bar here. Then here is where you can record a new lecture or you can redo the current videos. Then here it tells you your date and time of your recording. And then the next one is very important, is this My Photos buttons here. If you click on this drop-down list, you will be able to see different photos here. Like I said before, the My Photo buttons is where you can categorize your video. So if you wish this video to go to certain folders, then you can click on that. Then Panopto will automatically store your video in that folder. But in this case, I'm going to stick with my folder. Then enter some description for your videos. Lastly is the editing part. This is optional, but if you wish to edit your video on Panopto, just click on this button here. Then it will guide you to another page. This is where you can preview your video and then edit the parts that you try to get rid of. After everything is done, click on this close tab buttons here. Then you can preview your video again. Lastly is share this video. If you wish to share with certain people or certain groups like classes, just type in their email address, then hit send. If currently you just want your video to store in Panopto, then share this video later on. Then now you can close this window. We can go back to my folders here. Now you will see your video is being uploaded to my folder. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.